Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make creamy pumpkin pasta. Perfectly cooked pasta in a rich pumpkin and beef sauce is the perfect dish for this fall. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese to bring up the umami flavor that will brighten up even the rainiest days. I've already gathered and prepped all the ingredients here, so let's get started. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add in the finely chopped onion, garlic and rosemary. Sauté for about 2 minutes. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for 1 minute, stirring continuously. Add the meat and mince it with a wooden spoon as it cooks. Once the meat is no longer pink, add in the pasta, broth and stir well to combine. Bring the liquid to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to a medium-low. Cook, frequently stirring until the pasta is tender, about 12 to 14 minutes. On the last 2 minutes of cooking, stir in the pumpkin puree, the mascarpone cheese, and season with salt and pepper to your taste. It's very important to keep a close eye on the pasta and frequently stir to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. That was it for today, foodies. For the full recipe, plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.